Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to share screen with sound on Discord. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to share screen with sound on Discord, you need to simply open your Discord. After this, you need to join any channel you want to share your screen on, and once you have done this, you can simply join the voice channel. So you can see your voice channel option. You can simply join in it. Once you have tapped on join voice, swipe up the screen and there you can find the option called share your screen. So you can select one app or the entire screen and you can simply tap on the share screen option. You should make sure that you have turned on the toggle in your audio option, and once you have done this, you can simply share your screen on Discord with perfect sound. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.